Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into how to use Trello's custom emoji feature. This feature helps you to add a touch of fun and personality to your Trello boards, which in turn can increase engagement and enjoyment for your team. First, you'll want to open up the Trello board where you want to add the custom emoji. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for all the following actions. It's just like choosing the canvas you want to paint on. Now that we've done that, find the comment or card where you want to add the emoji. Click on it, and you'll find a small, smiley face icon. Click on this icon, and a menu with a variety of emoji options will pop up. The reason we do this is to access Trello's emoji menu, where all the magic happens. Here's where things get interesting. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu, and you'll find an option to add custom emoji. Click on it. This helps us because it's where we can upload our chosen image to be used as a custom emoji. Once you've made your selection, you can name your emoji and then click Upload. Let me explain why this matters. Giving your emoji a unique name helps you to find and use it quickly in the future. Plus, it's a great way to inject some humor and creativity into your Trello boards. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom emoji to your Trello board. Now, whenever you want to use it, you simply start typing the name of your emoji in any comment or card, and it will pop up. Just remember, these custom emojis are a fantastic way to bring some fun and personality to your Trello boards. They can make your boards more engaging and enjoyable, which can only be a good thing for team morale and productivity. That's all for today's tutorial. You're now a pro at using Trello's custom emoji feature. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.